Introducing the beautiful new Pixel 3. Sorry, for life at work and at play, we're bringing the power and productivity of a desktop to a gorgeous tablet called Pixel Slate. And for life at home, we designed a smart display so you can hear and see the info you need and manage your connected home from a single screen. Introducing Google Home Hub.
Google Home Hub, we've redesigned Google's most helpful services like search, YouTube, Maps, Calendar, and Photos, so they're easily controllable with your voice. You can also choose from 4 beautiful colors to complement any room. We also consciously did not put a camera on Hub. Hub can respond automatically to the bright white tones of natural light that you get during the day, and then gradually shift into the oranges and yellows of your indoor lights in the evening. By using voice match, Hub is able to recognize who is speaking to it, and it's able to provide a personalized experience for each and every user in your home. It's now all in one place for the very first time. We've redesigned the Google Home app to be the mobile controller for your smart home. You can pre-order Google Home Hub on the Google Store today for $149.
Google Pixel Slate is a completely new experience, giving you powerful productivity in a fresh, mobile form. Pixel Slate is engineered with a stunning, detailed display, so sitting back to enjoy a movie is better than ever. It has 293 pixels per inch. That's 6 million pixels for the sharpest picture in the category, including portrait mode. We've also designed the front-facing camera to be perfect for video chat. It has a wide-angle lens, so you can fit everyone in the frame. It's a Chrome OS experience that's meant to be held in your hands. Our new Do Not Disturb and Nightlight features help you tune out distractions and gently adjust the color temperature of your display to help you wind down. Pixel Slate's power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, so you can unlock it just as quickly and securely as you do your Pixel phone. So we created the Pixel Slate keyboard, the perfect companion to Pixel Slate. Its full-size backlit keyboard is incredibly comfortable to type on. Pixel Slate comes in several configurations, starting at $599. Pixel Slate keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook pen, now in matching midnight blue, is $99.
Pixel 3 was built with exceptionally beautiful and thoughtful design choices. Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. Both of them share the same features, but we know users who want a bigger phone really want a bigger screen. So we've designed Pixel 3 XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners, giving users an edge-to-edge viewing experience.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and richer than last year. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures. We combine the images algorithmically to create an image that is brighter, more detailed, and more colorful.
Top Shot automatically captures alternate shots in HDR+. So if your timing wasn't perfect, it'll suggest a better one. You can also scroll through the alternates and save one of those instead.
And then there's Super Res Zoom. Anyone who's tried to take a photo at a concert knows that phone cameras have terrible zoom. Instead of shooting a grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot.
Another feature that we're really excited about is Night Sight. Night Sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. Let's take a look.
Now you can fit everyone in the shot without a selfie stick or unusually long arms like mine. Just zoom out. The difference is striking. Photo booth mode automatically snaps photos with a smile or when you make a funny face. No shutter button needed.
With motion autofocus, just tap on people, puppies, or anything else that won't hold still, and they'll stay in focus as they move around the frame.
We made a few enhancements to portrait mode. You can edit the depth of field in a portrait. You can also change the focal subject of the photo or make the color pop.
And one of the best aspects of Pixel 3 is free unlimited storage at original quality.
Our new Google Assistant feature, powered by duplex technology, is able to help users with real-world tasks over the phone, like calling a restaurant to book a table. Pixel phones will be the first to get this Google Assistant feature when it rolls out city by city this month. Next month. One of these months. Next month. So stay tuned for details.
When you get that call and you can't or don't want to pick up, just tap the screen call button, and your phone will answer for you and ask who's calling and why. As you can see here, the conversation is transcribed in real time on your screen.
So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table, and your Pixel will take the hint and mute sounds and notifications.
We're excited to introduce the smartest wireless charger ever, the new Pixel Stand.
Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $799, and Pixel Stand is $79.
So that's the new Pixel 3. It's designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most helpful device in your life.